And like you just heard Shahnawaz Hussain say, it's not just about communities, it's also about energy. The Iraq crisis has spooked international oil markets and the currency markets as well. Effective midnight tonight, petrol prices were hiked by a steep 1.69 rupees per litre and diesel by 50 paise a litre.
And as the NDA government struggles to bring the economy back to normalcy, political opposition promises to be unrelenting. As Amma has already come down heavily on the government demanding a rollback on the hike. Not sure if the BJP can afford that at this stage.
The crisis in Iraq spooking the international oil and currency markets as petrol prices were hiked by a steep 1.69 per litre and diesel by 50 paise a litre. The hike excludes local sales tax or VAT and the actual increase will be higher varying from city to city.
इस महंगाई की वजह से जो आम आदमी है उसको परेशानी ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है और आज की तारीख में हम सभी दिल्ली जैसे शहरों में बसों से चलना और उनसे चलना सभी के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो ये हम सभी पे एक बर्डन है जो मेरे ख्याल से सरकार को इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए.
Indian Oil adding that it was the unrest in the Middle East that was the reason of the hikes. The government in January last year decided that diesel prices should be raised by 40 to 50 paise a litre every month until losses are wiped out. But despite yesterday's hikes, the company further added it is losing 3.40 paise a litre on diesel sales. It wasn't long before the hike was slammed by the big guns in political circles, Amma firing the first barb. Opposing the fuel prices, saying it has come as a disappointment to people who voted for the BJP, expecting a change from the wrong economic policies of the previous Congress-led UPA. The BJP in response, raising its hands, claiming it was the Middle East that was making it hard for the country's economy.
हमारे यहाँ प्रधानमंत्री जी और पूरी सरकार महंगाई रोकने के लिए जितने कदम उठा सकते हैं उठा रहे हैं. हमारी जगह अगर वो लोग होते तो डबल हो जाता दाम. इराक का संकट है, तेल का जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाज़ार में कच्चा तेल काफ़ी महंगा हो गया है, उसके हिसाब से थोड़ा बढ़ा है और सरकार ये कोशिश कर रही है कि जनता पे कम से कम बोझ डाला जाए.
A real hike, essential commodities dearer, and now with petrol and diesel hikes, the NDA is only adding fuel to the price hike fire. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.